So good morning everybody. So last class we discussed bipolar limb lead system. So this class we are going to discuss about unipolar limb lead system. So that is augmented unipolar limb leads. So unipolar type was introduced by Wilson in 1944. For unipolar leads, the electrocardiogram is recorded between a single explanatory electrodes and the central terminal, which has a potential corresponding to the center of the body. So this central terminal is obtained by connecting the three active limb electrode together through resistors of equal size. So the potential at the connection point of the resistors corresponds to the mean or average of the potential as the three electrodes. So in the unipolar limb leads, one of the limb electrode is used as an explanatory electrode as well as the contributing to the central terminal. So this double use results in an ECG signal that has a very small amplitude. So in augmented unipolar limb leads, the limb electrodes used as a exploratory electrode is not used for an central terminal, so thereby increasing the amplitude of ECG signal without changing its waveform appreciably. So these leads are designated AVR, AVL and AVF. F as in foot, that is augmented voltage right arm, augmented voltage left arm, augmented voltage foot. So the first diagram shows the lead augmented voltage right. So here in that unipolar limb lead also, the reference electrode is act as a right leg electrode. So in that case we are placing the two electrode right arm and left arm by using the resistance. So again that will be given to the amplifier. So lead AVL means augmented voltage left arm. So in that case right arm and left arm is placed in the electrode by using resistor. So in that case also right leg is act as a reference electrode. Last one is lead AVF, that is atrioventricular foot. So here we are placing the electrode in foot, that is left arm, left leg and right leg. These two electrodes, the arm electrodes are connected to one of the input of the amplifier. So in that case also right leg is act as a reference electrode. So for the unipolar chest lead, a single chest electrode is sequentially placed on each of the 6 pre-designated points on the chest. So these chest positions are called the pericardial unipolar leads and are designated V1 through V6. So all three active limb electrodes are used to obtain the central terminal. So while a separate chest electrode is used as an explanatory electrode. So this is a ECG unipolar chest lead system. that is V1 to V6. This one is pre-designated one. V1 is fourth intercostal space at right sternal margin. So V2 is the fourth intercostal space at left sternal margin. Similarly, V3 is midway between V2 and V4. V4 is the fifth intercostal space at mid clavicular line. V5 is the same level as V4 and an anterior axillary line. V6 is the same level as V4 on mid axillary line. So this is a ECG unipolar chest lead system. So in that case, two electrodes is placed on the patient, right arm and left arm. Right leg is always act as a reference electrode, and left leg and chest electrodes are connected to the amplifier. So modified chest lead 1. So this lead system stimulates the V1 position with the electrode placement as follows. Positive electrode, that is fourth intercostal space, right sternal border. Negative electrode means just below the outer portion of the left clavicle with ground just about anywhere, but usually below the right clavicle. So the monitor is set on the lead 1 for this bipolar tracing.